Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for your valuable time and kind attention. My name is Nijal Mukundan, and allow me to introduce to my team Mr. Mayur Walde, Mr. Amit Saran, and Mr. Rahul Patil. So we are here to talk on how to generate revenue from mobile applications in hospitality industry. So what exactly is mobile applications? Mobile applications are softwares which are developed for mobile devices, handheld devices, which such as PDA, EDAs, and mobile phones. These applications can be pre-installed during manufacturing or downloaded by the consumers. These applications are very useful in various purposes, such as sending of data and receiving of data. In fact, a mobile phone is nothing without a mobile application. So the various uses are it's used to send emails, and it's also used to access information anywhere, which is very valuable. And with the help of GPS, we can also determine the location where we are, which is beneficial for hospitality industry, because as a customer, we get to know where exactly the nearest restaurant or hotel is. The availability. These applications are easily available on the internet websites, and most of them are free of cost. And internet, and if you find it difficult to download from internet, you can always download. You can always use mobile-based internet websites, and in iPhones you can use the App Store. You can just click on App Store, and you can download applications. So I would like to call upon Mr. Amit Saran to talk on the advantages of mobile applications in the hospitality industry.
Thank you, Mr. Nijal.
Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. So I'm going to talk about various mobile applications in hospitality industry. So nowadays you can see that many people are using mobile phone, and many people are becoming mobile savvy nowadays. So what hospitality industry has done is they have introduced a new mobile application which is very beneficial for hospitality industry to generate revenue, to create promotions, to special events, offers, etc. So for example, if a traveler wants to book a room, if he's a business traveler and if he completes the meeting and wants to search for a hotel room, he will definitely make a call to a hotel and book a room. But nowadays mobile application, what they have done is they have created a convenient mobile application through which customer can use his mobile handset and browse the hotel room, rates, availability, everything, so that it can generate revenue for the hotel. And also you can, and also it is beneficial for hospitality industries, like you can promote your special offers, events, advertisement, everything, so that it will create a brand image among the customers, and the customers may get attracted towards your hotel. And basically the main thing is the mobile application has come up with a GPS system, new GPS system, where if a customer is located in an area, like for example you can take Vietnam. If he is located in Vietnam, and if he wants to search a hotel or a restaurant nearby to Vietnam, he can definitely browse his GPS system, can check into which hotels are available, restaurants are available in the market, and definitely he can visit that restaurant which is best available, so that it may create a competitive edge for the restaurant which is the best one. And also the mobile applications have also created an opportunity for the small hotels to penetrate into the market. These are the various benefits for the hotel, and for the guests is like it reduces their cost. Like previously it was like many customers were internet savvy, but nowadays they are mobile savvy, so they do not have to log into internet and print out papers, print anything. Now they just can use the mobile application, they can browse, they can select, they can book their reservation, and that's it. And this has made a very secure kind of reservation for the guest. And cost effective, about the cost effective is like it has reduced the marketing cost for the hotels itself tremendously, and for the guests itself. To conclude in a statistical note, it has been found that a survey made by travelclick.com, it has been found that around, it has been forecasted actually, around 2013, the download of mobile application would exceed around 21.6 billion. So you can see that how the mobile applications are penetrating in the market. So talk more about mobile applications. My colleague Rahul Patil will provide you more information about it. Thank you.
Thank you. Hello everyone. I'd like to explain about the mobile applications which are used in the hotel industry to generate revenue. The very first mobile application is Stay mobile application, which is developed by Movida software company. The Stay application allows the guest to book the boutique hotels and other near feature hotels in around 170 countries in 170 cities and around 45 countries worldwide. The Stay application gives the guest information about the property details, property images, and the room types available and the room rates. The Stay application operates on commission per booking. It means that every booking done by the guest gives 5% of its share to the application company. The next application is Hotel Near Me. Hotel Near Me is a mobile application developed by Blue Media Lab software company, which the Hotel Near Me allows the guest to find and book hotels at often better rates than when you go directly and book the rates. The Hotel Near Me was very first application which was used by as a GPS hotel finder, and sorry, hotel finder around 73,000 hotels and without no fees. And the next application is Hotel by Me. Hotel by Me is also the same as Hotel Near Me, but it gives you the current location. It tells you about the current location and also the nearest popular landmark which the hotel is situated. And last is the SPG mobile application, which is the Starwood mobile application. It's a Starwood Prefer Guest mobile application, which gives the guest to log into the Starwood Prefer Guest account, which gives them the point of balance and upcoming booking details. This application also helps the guests to browse and reserve their rooms at any of the Starwood property worldwide. So these are the applications. These are some of the applications which would be used in the hotel industry to generate revenue. So for next part, I would like to welcome Mr. Mayur to conclude.
Thank you, Mr. Rahul. As my friend said, they have already told you about all the benefits and the functions that a mobile app can do. So I would like to conclude with the presentation by saying that how it is beneficial for both hotel and as well as the guest. So as we know, it is very convenient to download an application, and most of you are having lots of applications in your cell phone. So now travel companies are also launching many applications to locate hotels and book reservations from their mobile itself, and it is very convenient for guests. Instead of sitting at home, he can just book any hotel near to him by just clicking on his cell phone, and he can find best rates for his according to his choice. And it is very time saving, as we know that if a businessman is traveling and he wants to book a hotel, so he really is having a very less time period with him. So just by browsing on his mobile and launching these applications, he can book a hotel room or anything he wants. So it will helpful. It will be very helpful for hotels to generate revenue, as customers are very willing to use these applications, and they are more attracted towards hotels and restaurants by using these applications. Um, so that was our presentation. If you have any questions, you can please ask. No? Thank you very much.